Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, we will see how we can pause and resume a Unity game that we are making. So currently I have a scene in which we have two buttons. One is a pause and the other one is resume. Let me rename this one. So currently they are not working as I haven't added any functionality to them. Let's see. While I click on them, they are not working. Okay. So in order to add a functionality to these buttons, I have made a script that I have attached to the canvas, and the name of the script is play and pause game. So in this script I have two methods. One is pause game and other one is resume game. Let me add these methods to these buttons. On the pause, click on this plus sign, drag and drop your canvas here because the canvas is having that script. In this canvas, go to the script and find the method resume game. In the pause button, again do the same thing. I hope you must know how to do this. I'm doing it for those people who are just new to Unity and don't know how to do these things. So click on pause game. So these methods are added to the pause and resume button. Now in order to pause and resume our game, we will add a little code to our methods. So in our pause game, we have to pause our game. So the line of code that we will add will be time dot time scale is equal to 0. It will pause our game, and in order to resume our game, we will copy the same line of code and we will paste it here with time scale is equal to 1 and save this script. And this is how we can pause or resume our game. This is the very simple code. Go back to Unity, wait for it to load. Now if we play our game, right now we haven't pressed any button, so our game is currently playing. So if we click on pause, it will pause our game. As you can see, our game is paused. And now if we click on resume, our game is resumed. So this is how we can pause or resume our game. That was very simple method. I hope you liked it, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I will see you next time. Do check out my Unity Space Shooter game course on Udemy. The link is available in the description.
In this game, you will have to survive against enemy ships and asteroids. We will move through the course step by step. We will start just from scratch by setting up the project, setting up our player ship, camera setup, adjusting scene lighting, adding background elements, moving the player through controls, adding constraints to the game elements, scrolling our background elements, shooting bullets, spawning hazards in the scene, sounds and music, counting scores and saving high scores, touch controls, enemy ships, power-ups to triple bullets, and finally building the game on mobile devices. I will walk you through the complete process of making the game and writing the code using C#. I will be giving you all the resources to practice that I will use to make the game. Also, I will attach the completed project with each episode for you to download and practice it. Along with that, I will provide you complete support throughout the course by answering your questions. So, what are you waiting for? Register now and start making your game today.